Why import recipes into diet tracking apps?
Importing your own recipes saves time and improves the accuracy of meal tracking. Instead of manually entering ingredients every time, you can log complex meals with just a few taps. This helps you better understand your nutrition, maintain consistent records, and simplify tracking homemade dishes that aren't found in the app's database.
Preparing your recipe for import.
Start by gathering all the ingredients, quantities, and preparation steps for your recipe. Double-check portion sizes and measurements for accuracy. Having this information ready will make the importing process smoother and help ensure that the app accurately calculates calories and nutrients for each serving.
Using the recipe import tool.
Most diet tracking apps feature a recipe import tool. Open your app, look for an option like Add Recipe or Import Recipe, and follow the prompts. You may be able to type the recipe, paste text, or even scan a web page. Enter each ingredient, quantity, and number of servings as accurately as possible.
Reviewing and editing imported recipes.
After importing, review the recipe for errors. Double-check that ingredients and amounts are correct. Edit any items the app couldn't recognize or had trouble categorizing. Adjust the total number of servings if needed. Taking time to review ensures your nutrition tracking will be accurate and reliable.
Logging your meals faster and more accurately.
Once your recipe is saved, logging it is as simple as selecting it from your meal list. The app will automatically calculate calories and nutrients for each serving, helping you track your meals quickly and precisely. With your favorite recipes stored, consistent and accurate tracking becomes effortless.